Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and this MacBook sleeve from INVZI is the most beautiful computer sleeve that I have ever owned, and it is multi-purpose, which is amazing. Now, this sleeve from INVZI is a beautiful saddle brown color, and I just think it is so sleek and so elegant looking. This sleeve is multifunctional too. Not only does it provide a place to carry your computer, but it also serves as a stand as well. Using this helps to promote airflow under your MacBook to keep it from overheating, but it also makes it an extremely easy angle to type on your MacBook as well. This sleeve is slim and sophisticated. We have a 13-inch MacBook, and when we put it in here, there is not room for it to really wiggle around. It has a nice, tight, but still comfortable fit to it. So I know that when it's in here, it's protected. When you purchase a computer, you're making an investment. So you wanna make sure that the sleeve you're carrying it in is just as high of quality as the computer itself. And this sleeve from INVZI definitely is. It has a very strong magnetic closure as well, which gives me peace of mind knowing that the laptop is protected in here. This sleeve from INVZI is sleek, sophisticated, and multifunctional, and we love it for our MacBook. But that's just our point of view.